Hello everyone, Sat Shri Akal from Gurdeep Pandher from the Yukon Territory, and I'm really happy to connect with you through this video. So today I'm going to teach you a few moves depending upon the time, fun Bhangra moves so that you can do them. Bhangra, as you know, that is happy dancing. It was originated in Punjab, created by Punjabi farmers. So Bhangra is dance of joy, Bhangra is dance of happiness, and Bhangra is dance of positivity. Okay folks, so what you need to do first, everybody stand up. Stand up straight, stand up tall, like this, engage your core, bring happiness on your face. So what you need to do, pick up your left foot like this and kick twice, like 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. That's it. So when you are kicking with your left foot, on your right foot you hop. I'm going to show you how you can hop. It looks like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. So basically you hop on your toes. So now we will combine kicking and hopping together. So when you combine, it will look like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Okay, now everybody do together, and I'm going to do with you too. Same thing, 1 and 2, kicking with the left and hopping on the right. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. So you learned towards your left side. Now we will learn towards our right side. You just switch the direction. So you will be kicking with your right foot twice, and you will count 3, 4, 3, 4, and 3, 4. I think now you can easily guess. When I'm kicking with my right foot, what I will be doing on my left foot? On my left foot, I will be hopping like this: 3, 4, 3, 4, and 3, 4. Now towards your right side, you combine your kicking and hopping at the same time, and when you combine, it will look like this: 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, and 3, 4. Okay folks, now let's try together. Kicking with the right and hopping on the left. I will say 5, 6, 7, 8, then we will start together. 5, 6, 7, 8, start. 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, and 3, 4. Wonderful, beautiful. Thank you for trying. So you learned the left side and you have also learned the right side. So now we will combine both sides together. We will do twice left side, twice right side. Watch me first and then we will do it together. So 1, 2, switch, 3, 4, switch, 1, 2, switch, 3, 4. Now let's do it together. Everybody join together. Stand up straight, and we will start kicking with the left and hopping on the right, and we will be doing at the both sides. Okay folks, 5, 6, 7, 8, start. 1, 2, switch, 3, 4, switch, 1, 2, switch, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy, 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 happy. Smile, smile, and smile, smile. So you have learned the leg part. So now I will teach you the arm part. Arm part is very simple. All you need to do it, you face your both hands towards the front side and make a little fist. The fist, it looks like this. So what you need to do, if I stand like this, when you say number 1, you just bring your hands forward and say number 1 and bring them back. Close your fist and when you say number 2, bring them forward and open your fist. It's just like this. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Then for 3 and 4, you bring your arms up, straight up, keep your both fists closed. When I say number 3, you bring them and open the fist. Bring them back and close the fist. So it will be 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, and 3, 4. So from the down, it's like 1, 2, up, 3, 4, down, 1, 2, up, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, folks, before we try our legs and arms together, it's very important. Bhangra is dance of happiness. Bhangra is dance of joy. When you dance Bhangra, please smile. Smiling is very important in Bhangra. So you can't do Bhangra without smiling. Okay, folks, let's try everything together. Watch me first, then we will do it. So it will look like 1, 2, switch, 3, 4, switch, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Everybody together. Come together. Let's dance together. Okay, you are ready? You will start kicking with the left and hopping on the right. Your hands are ready. You are standing straight, standing tall, and most importantly, you are smiling and you are happy. Be ready, folks. 5, 6, 7, 8. Start. 1, 2, switch. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2. Up. 3, 4. Happy, 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 happy. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to play the music and we will do the same move to the drum sound. Be ready? Yes, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start. 1, 2, up, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, up, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 2, 3, 4. Happy, happy, happy. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Woohoo! Woohoo! Nice. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, folks, you have learned one move. I will teach you one more move. Next move, that is very fun move. All you need to do, you pick up your left leg and tap your paw on the ground. So now when you will be tapping, you will be saying number 1 and 2 with the tap. So bring it up. So when you bring it down, say number 1. Up, 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. So when you're tapping with your left foot, on your right, you will be hopping exactly in the same way you were hopping in the move number 1. Technique is same, like 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. So now we will combine tapping and hopping together. When we combine, it will look like 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Now let's try it together. Join me, please. Everybody stand straight, stand tall, engage your core, bring big smile on your face. Be ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. Start. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Awesome. We have learned towards left side. Now we will learn towards the right side. Same thing, we will just repeat it towards the right side. So right side, you pick your right leg up, and when you tap, you say number 3. Up. When you say tap, you say number 4. So it's like 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, and 3, 4. So when you are tapping with your right foot, what you are doing on your left, you will be hopping same way. 3, 4, 3, 4, and 3, 4. So now combine tapping and hopping at the same time. It will look like 3, 4, 3, 4, and 3, 4. Okay, folks, now let's try together on your right side. It will 5, 6, 7, 8. Start 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, and 3, 4. You have learned the left side, you have learned the right side. Now we will combine both sides together. When we combine both sides together, it looks like this. 1, 2, switch, 3, 4, switch, 1, 2, switch, 3, and 4. Everybody together, let's try it. Stand straight and keep your hands on your waist. Be ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. Start. 1, 2, switch, 3, 4, switch, 1, 2, and 3, 4. So you have learned the leg part. Now we will learn the arm part. Arm part in this move is fairly simple. All you need to do, you bring your arms up, your hands are open like this. So when I say number 1, you just bring them down. Up, number 2, bring them down. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we will combine our arms with the legs and our beautiful smile on the face. Don't forget to smile. 5, 6, 7, 8. Start. 1, 2, switch, 3, 4, switch, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody together. Let's try it. I will also play the music and let's dance this move together. Okay, folks, be ready. Stand straight, stand tall. Happiness on your face. Your core is engaged. Lift the chin up. Arms up too. 5, 6, 7, 8. Start. 1, 2, switch. 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo, 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 woo. Happy, 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 happy. Yes, 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 yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo, 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 woo. Happy, 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 happy. Nice. And stretch it. Woo-hoo. Carry on. Woo-hoo. Nice.